Do you keep getting kicked for your background noises? Do you keep getting muted for those Cherry MX blue switch noises? Are your viewers complaining about your shitty mic? Then fear not, Nvidia RTX Voice is for you. Nvidia RTX Voice uses AI to remove all your background noises and give your voice crisp and clear natural tone without breaking the bank. All you need to do to get the RTX Voice app working is just open your browser and paste the link that is given in the description as well as in the comments. Scroll down and just download the app. Now that your download has completed, just open the RTX app and install it like you would install any other Nvidia driver. Now if you have a 20 series or a RTX graphics card, you should be able to just breeze through all this and install the app. But if you have an older card like a 16 or 10 series or even 900 series GPU, the GTX GPUs, you should get this error. Now this is where we get interesting. All you need to do is just open Notepad as admin. So search for Notepad, right click and run as admin. Now we are going to go to file and we are going to open. And now we are going to C drive, find the temp folder, enter the temp folder, and now we are going to find NV RTX Voice. Double click on that. NVAFX is the folder we have to go inside. And now click on this, go to right side, click on all files. You should be able to see rtxvoice.nvi. Double click on that and open the notepad. It should open in Notepad and it's basically an XML file. So those of you that know XML should be able to easily read this, but this is the part that we need to delete. This constraints. This is what is actually stopping it from installing on our system. So we are going to mark this and delete, and we are going to save this. That's about it. Now we are going to go to C drive and temp and NV RTX Voice, and there is a setup file. Just open that, install it, and you should be able to install it without any issues. Now that you have installed the Nvidia RTX Voice on any of the supported Nvidia GPUs or even the unsupported one like GTX GPUs, you should be able to get into this. Now you're going to click and select your microphone over here and click on remove background noise from my microphone. Now we are going to right click on the sound settings, go to open sound settings, control panel, and this is just to make your life easier. Just click on the microphone that says Nvidia RTX Voice, right click on that, and you should be able to get you should get an option to make it a default device. I'm getting it on my mic, but I'm not getting it on my RTX Voice mic because, well, it's already defaulted. So if you do that, every app that uses your mic should be able to automatically use the Nvidia RTX Voice, the clean version basically. Now this does come with some issues, like I'll show you right now. It uses some GPU, and I'm using a Ryzen 3600 with 16 GB of RAM and a 1050 Ti. So it's using about 3-4% of GPU usage, 1.4. It never crosses 2% of CPU usage, and it has gone to about 300 MB of RAM usage sometimes. So you have to keep that in mind. Depending on your PC or your specs, this is going to affect your performance a little bit. So keep that in mind, and if you are not going to default this, you can just go to Discord, user settings, voice and video, and select Nvidia RTX Voice here, and you should be able to use that without any issues. You can do the same in OBS, and without an issue you should be able to change the input to Nvidia RTX Voice, and you don't even need to use any Razer plugins or anything like that. This is more than enough. It needs no filters whatsoever in OBS. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and share this with your friends or your streamer friends, or post this anywhere where you think people might be able to use this for betterment. This was Captain Cross. Have a good one.